Hello everyone, welcome to Mentors Hub YouTube channel. I am Tushar Parihar, mentor for data analysis. In the last class, we see tools of data analysis. So today we will start our learning from Microsoft Excel. So how to install Microsoft Excel? First we have to search over here. We should write MS Excel. In many computers and laptops it is already installed here. So we will open. Few of the people don't have Microsoft Excel installed in their computer. So they have to go into the Chrome and write MS Excel download. Here you will find out Google Play Store. Click on the site and you can easily install. But still not able to download from Google Play Store, you can write MS Excel download for PCs. Here you will get the link of Microsoft. Click on it and you can sign up for free and you can use the Microsoft Excel. You can use the free version by creating a Microsoft account or signing in. So after installing Microsoft Excel, we will go on the new slide on the blank and then after on blank workbook. So this is the interface of Microsoft Excel and we will be performing our data analysis tools in this only. So this is the interface of Microsoft Excel. Please follow my cursor. So this is theme font. We can change our theme according to our wish. And this is font size. We can change our font size according to our need. For example, if I write mentor and I need a bigger font, so I can drag and change my font size according to me. You can see that it is becoming bigger and bigger and bigger. So 16 is good. We can also change our font color from here. Like you can see I can go from red, yellow, green, blue and purple. I can use any of these according to me. This is for bold. Like you can see I can bold my word. This is for italic. I can turn my theme into italic. And this is for underlining the word. You can see. This is top align. This is center align. And this is bottom align. This is left align and this is right align. After that, we will move on to the insert part. Here we can add pictures and we can also add tables, pivot tables and recommend tables. We can insert from, for pictures, we can insert from this device, stock images or online pictures as well. We can also turn many of the shapes. For example, I need this shape. I can drag it and use it. Then I can change my color of the shape like black, blue, white or any color. Like if I want red, so I can use it. I can also change color of outline of the shape, like it's blue from the outline. Use shape effects as well. For example, I will use shadows, inner shadows, like so. That's it in shape. And we can use more, like we can use charts, bar graphs, then we can use statics charts. Many charts are there. We can use maps, pivot charts, even we can use line columns and others and other charts as well. We can use link, comments, text box. We can use a text box to write any text. For example, I'm writing Mentors Hub. So this is my text box. I can drag it to anywhere by pressing on it. And I can resize it according to my wish. And there are many other tools. We learn all these tools when we are learning Microsoft Excel. After that, there is a page layout. So we can use themes according to our wish. There are many themes We can change color effects. We can use margins, normal margin, wide margin, narrow margin, or we can customize it according to our wish, how much page is needed. We can print area, we can use orientation size, print area. We can break the page into two hubs. Background, we can use backgrounds. If we want something to be put on background, we can use background as well. We can change our page width, height, and scale as well. After that, formulas for statistics, mathematics, finance, etc. Like we can auto sum recently used formulas, financial formulas, logical formulas, date and time, lookup and references, mathematics and trigonometry, more functions we can use. So this will help us rather than writing formulas again and again. It will help us. We can use calculator as well, calculator option. After that, we have data, one of the most important tool of Microsoft Excel, and we will be working on this as well. We can get data. We can use text or CSV files for the data, or we can import it from web as well. We can form tables and ranges over here, and is used for data modeling, data cleaning, and data validations. Like we can flash fill, remove duplicates data, valid datas, and we can perform data modeling over here. And after that we can analysis the data. These are the rows. So like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the rows, and these are A, B, C, D. These are the columns. If, for example, if I'm writing mentors hub and it goes to the another line, so what we can do, we can drag it and make it bigger so that it can easily fit. Same for rows. We can also drag them and create their and maximize their height according to the requirements. After performing all the activities, we can go here and we can change our file name. Like for example, I will save this file by mentors hub name. It is always saved as .xlsx, and we can save it. After saving this, we can go on the files, and here it is already saved, mentors hub. Want to convert this file into PDF, I can go on the print option, and here I can print my file. I can export my file in PDF or XPS documents. I can save a copy of my file in my drive or in my PC or in my browsers. I can share this my file. I can also share my file and I can open any other file in my documents. For opening a new file, we again go on the new slide and blank workbook. This is just a tutorial how to install Microsoft Excel and a very few basics of Microsoft Excel. We will teach you from beginner to advanced, like which tool we are using, what we are pressing now, what we are putting now. We will tell you all of these options. So that's it for today's video. Thank you, and please like, share, subscribe to Mentors Hub YouTube channel.